Hello everyone, today is February 8th, 2020, approximately 11:45 in the a.m. And right now, let's take a look at what's happening with the Resorts World, Las Vegas. I am standing on the street which runs perpendicular to the wind. My first time over here, actually, this far down. It's actually a pretty good view because there's no fence and we can get a lot of the lower ground in the shot. So, hey, the Bronx Wanderers. It is a busy street, and with cars and, as you can see, trucks driving by. So let's take a look, see what's going on. It's my last time here for a full review. Are those two posts or two? I won't call them towers yet. Those two posts right there. There's 1, 2, 3. How you doing?
Good. How are you?
And go ahead. It's a busy area. So, like I said, what's new since I've been here are those. Looks like 1, 2, 3, perhaps 4 posts, but it is looking pretty good. And that is, like I said, was not here the last for my full review, I believe. And then, right there, looks like is going to be some sort of bay window or big window, which is nice. And to the left, it looks like that has been complete, or I'm sorry, not complete, but getting more and more complete. Now I can see the, when I'm running around town, I can see these cranes on top, and they have been moving quite a bit, but I was working, whatever, I didn't have time to get down here, and so I wanted to get some action shots of the cranes moving around, but they are not, unfortunately. All right, let's change zoom lenses, okay? All right, back in a flash. All right, I got the big zoom on here, and we got some workers, which I couldn't see from here with my own 2 eyes. We have some workers on this middle column working away, and then up on top, there are some other workers. Wait a minute, let's just move this thing a little bit. Now this top portion is going to be the Sky Lounge, and it looks like we'll have a pretty nice view of parts of the strip. Okay, this is a close-up of one of the towers, and there are some construction guys just working away on that. All right, pretty cool. Let's move to another tower and see if anything's going on. Yep, there's a smaller tower. What's those guys doing? See, anyone over here? I can't really tell. Looking through the viewfinder. Now I imagine these towers, or one of them, will probably hold that globe they've been talking about. And so, I don't know if it's a smaller one or a bigger one. I don't know. Okay. So it's good to see the guys working, or the team working, and I do hope it opens on time in mid-2021, and I hope the economy is, hasn't taken a dump. Oh, there they are, okay. Some gentlemen right there, some people right there. Okay, so right now I'm standing in front of Wi-Fi. I moved over to the strip, and right now we're standing in front of the Encore. It's a different view. You get a shot of the towers, those 2 or 3 towers, whatever they are. and more of the face of the building. It is looking pretty good. We're going to move down the strip a little bit more. Back in a flash. I have moved over into the Peppermill parking lot to get some more shots. Now the chopper sound you hear behind me, let's turn around, hold on please. Let's zoom in. Now this chopper right here is picking up equipment or some sort of attachments and taking them over to the expansion of the Las Vegas Convention Center. My first time to see something like that, so I think that's pretty cool actually. Yeah? He's just going back and forth. I think he's made about 3 runs already, and so I don't know how many more he's going to make. But you can see it's a pretty small chopper, and yeah, very interesting. And this is what they're bringing over. Okay, take a look at that. Now, if anyone has any idea what that piece of equipment is, please let us know. Yeah, I found it interesting, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this little snippet. Nice looking chopper. All right, back to Resorts World Las Vegas. Okay, now if you look closely at these beams or girders, whatever you want to call them, they do look rusty. Ugh. You know, I guess the elements have not been kind, or they haven't applied the rust repellent to these things. I'm not an engineer, but I'm not sure how much that'll affect things, but it does look odd to me that the rust is on there, and presuming they'll fix it up before things are covered up. Okay, great. All right, now, this is the back side of the Resorts World Las Vegas. And then we got our tower. Oops. We have our tower operator. He's in there. Is it moving? Hey. Got a couple of guys working in there. All right. Let's see. This crane over here does seem to be active. Got the stars and stripes on top, I believe. Wait a minute. Got my glasses. Yep, the stars and stripes on top. Very good. What is he moving? What is he moving? Oh. Let's see. You know, it is getting a bit breezy out here, and you can see on top of the crane there is our wait a minute, what's it called? Anemometer. Remember that word? Anemometer. All right. I will use it whenever I can. All right, this place is looking pretty good, you know, aside from the rust stuff on here. But overall, I hope they're gonna finish on time, mid-2021, and can open up to great fanfare, and you know, hope to stay busy, and helps to revitalize the northern end of the strip. And don't forget, the Drew is just across the street. There it is, right there. And the Strat is off there in the distance. The Strat. All right, cool. All right, you guys. I want to thank you all for joining me today. Like I always say, see me outside, say hello, and I'll say hello back. Take care wherever you are, and have a great day. Hang on a second. Looks like they have some bright lights over here. Hey. Let's see. All right, we out.